Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna draw a pear. So let's get started. First of all, I draw a circle. And I draw another circle, but smaller than the first. I trace it over. And I erase the excess. Now I'm gonna draw the inside the pear. Right here, with a curved line. Straight line. I'm gonna draw the seed. Stack. After that, I'm gonna draw a coconut. For the coconut, I'm gonna draw a circle. A sharp edge here, and I erase the excess. A circle. And I'm gonna erase the excess again. Another circle inside the coconut. And one more circle. We can draw the texture with a black pen. After that, I'm gonna draw a cantaloupe here. I'm gonna draw a curved line for a cantaloupe, like a heart. An ellipse inside it. More ellipses for the seeds. A slice of the cantaloupe just right here. I'm gonna draw a semicircle with a curved line. Now let's get painting. Trace over with a felt tip marker. I hope you like it. Make sure you like and subscribe our channel. Bye.